So a few videos back, we did the split the playing card with a projectile.
Quite get it all the way before it bends that thing out of the way.
And it was a lot of fun, but we were having some trouble with it. And there's a few problems with doing that particular trick. Besides being able to hit the exceptionally small target at 7 or 10 yards. But what happens is the projectile will actually bend the card out of the way. And being that we just had it stuck in that little sign thing, I think that's one of the problems we were having, why we couldn't actually get it to split in two. So I got one of those big clips that you use for, giant stacks of paper. And so we were using that to hold it. And that was working out pretty well. Now, I do want to apologize for some of the colorful language that you're about to hear. We're just a bunch of rude, crude, socially unattractive cowboys. So it's kind of the way it is. Now, I did my best to edit it out, but just consider yourself warned. Now, my brother and I, we typically have a sibling rivalry thing where we could see who shoots better. I shoot better, if anybody wants to know. So we're giving each other, we're bantering back and forth. And we were kind of doing whoever could either hit it first, or if you don't hit it first, who hits it in less shots. So that's kind of what's going on here. Now, we did this with two different firearms. Well, three, I guess, technically. We were both using my Uberti 1866 Yellow Boy, which I just refinished the stock on and polished up all the brass parts, and it really looks exceptional, if I do say so myself. And then after we were done with that, after I beat him, we switched to muzzle loaders, and it was who could hit it first. And so he was using his Hawken, and I was using my Kibler SMR. So here it is.
No way!
Come on, bring this up.
I got that on.
But I wasn't using my musket, so it doesn't count, right?
Hold on, I got that on camera, didn't I? Holy shit. First shot.
I only put one round in.
Shit off.
It's your turn, you're up.
Give me.
Wow.
Jim, hold on that for me.
No way.
I didn't cut it.
Did you just clip it off of there?
Yeah. No way, really?
Yes, you did.
I fucking cut it?
Yes, you did. Where's the other half? Three of spades. Oh, look, here's a piece of it over here.
Oh. Yeah, here's another. Oh,
yeah, look, yeah, you shredded it.
Here's another piece.
Yeah. Nice shot.
First shot.
Nice shot.
Both of us got it on first shot. I can't believe that. Again.
Look like you're a little high, Jim.
Try again. I think you were right in line. You just didn't cut it. Yeah.
Oh, man. Look at that, Jim.
I'll take it.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Bitch, man.
Whoa.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Dude. Dude.
Look at that. I think it'll come apart if I wiggle it enough.
That's nuts.
Look at that.
No. Got this set up right here. That's filming, just for extra proof. There's that.
No, if you're gonna make a big deal
Right
about
there.
it, I'll miss for sure this time.
Of course you will. That's why I'm making a big deal about it. Are you fucking kidding me? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Half the queen right there. Dude! Queen of spades, right there.
Not too bad, huh? There we go.
All right.
Killed it entirely, including the clip.
Oh, did I?
Oh yeah, but you killed it. You cut it in half.
Sure did.
You sure did.
Oh,
Look at that.
wow. Clip off.
Hit's a hit, bro.
Yes. Had 5 hours.
You son of a
Oh shit.
You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch.
Hey, you better watch it. I'm gonna tell Mom.
God it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that shit.
Oh yeah.
So what are we? 2 for 3?
Look at that right there.
2 for 3.
That ain't bitching. I don't know what is.
So this was really a lot of fun, and it actually worked out pretty good. And if anybody wants to know, I won. So, as usual, folks, if you thought this video didn't suck, do me a favor and hit the like button and consider subscribing. And if you did think it sucked, well, then go make your own damn video.